Open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been. Pour yourself something cold that it is to do. Sometimes you gotta say, hey, you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta say, hey, welcome to my house. Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. Play that music cool now. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Morning comes and you know that you wanna stay. Close the blinds and pretend that the time has changed. Keep our clothes on the floor, open up champagne. Listen to you tonight, come on, celebrate. Sometimes you gotta stay.